What is that?
This.
What is it?
This.
Should we go plug it in? Here, Grandma will plug it in for you. You ready?
Wow.
What do you think? You can come over and see it.
Wow.
What does Santa say?
Ho, ho, ho.
You think Santa will put some presents under the tree
Uh-huh.
for you?
Uh-huh.
You think he'll come and put some presents under there?
Uh-huh.
Not yet.
No.
We gotta wait for Christmas. Okay?
I see.
What do you think?
Hmm.
Did you smell the flowers?